That's my village, my village. You see, two different animals, one lamb, another is goat. See, both are grazing friendly. Pigs are hardy, energetic, and powerful. You see, the black pigs are most beautiful. They are most beautiful in the world. You see, the village pig is grazing. Monkeys are in my garden. They are eating the leaves of the marigold tree. You see, they are destroying the trees. Yes, but I'm happy. It's grazing. Cows, you see, a Indian village cow is grazing, and a black drone you see on the cows. This is a mangrove tree. You can see the fruits are here, pencil like fruits. This is mangrove in my village. Indian bulls are handsome, energetic, hardy and powerful. They are grazing in the village forest. You see the beauties of my village. You see the cattle are grazing in the village forest. Big bull in my village forest is grazing. You can see a big bull, strong, energetic, and a cow. All are grazing in the village forest. Village forests are much more beautiful in India. India is famous for the village beauties. In my village forest, you see, friends, a muscular, a handsome bull, a hardy bull is grazing. It's light white color, you see. Our bull, village bull is enjoying the green grass in the village forest. It's grazing. You see the beauties on the earth. You can see they are loving each other and fighting with each other in the afternoon in my village side. Indian bull, muscular, hardy and energetic. You can see the handsome bull. Village agriculture field is grazing the beautiful sceneries of my village. Hot country, friends, the warblers are bathing in a little water in my compound. On the concrete, you see the hot time. Sceneries of my village in the morning time. See, the cows are grazing in happily. They are eating the grasses.